Today, guys, we're going to be reviewing the 5-in-1 beauty care massager. It's also known as a face brush. So, this is an alternative for you to use your hands to wash your face, or even using this sponge used to wash your face. So, I'm going to be telling you what this product is about. Is it worth the hype? Should you buy it? Should you not get it? Now, make sure you watch this video to the end to get my honest review. So I'm going to be telling you what each of the 5 brushes does. It's written here, so I'm just going to say it out with my mouth. This one is known as crude polish accessory to rip the tough skin and cutting off. That's what the manufacturer said. Crude polish accessory to rip the tough skin and cutting off. Then for this latex soft sponge for eye and cheek massaging. So basically, this one is just for your eyes and for your cheek massaging. And now this is a makeup sponge to massage and cleanse your skin. So this one is a sponge to massage and cleanse your skin. And I think this is going to be my favorite because it said a rolling massager to make better blood circumstances from skin aging. So I'm guessing this is to promote blood circulation around your face, which is a good thing. I'm going to be explaining why blood circulation around your face is very, very much important. The manufacturer has made a manual for us to understand how to use this product. So I'm going to summarize it or just basically read what the manufacturer said. So it says to beautify your skin, so you clean your entire face, throat, and other areas to be treated with a mild cleanser using gentle circular stroke. Attach the soft sponge applicator to the massager. Dip any beauty cream with water onto the sponge and dot your forehead, your cheeks, your nose, chin, and any other area to be treated with the correct amount of cream. Switch on the massager and work cream into skin by using firm upward circular strokes. There are 2 settings, the low and the high. Let me show you that. So there's the low and the high. Choose the one fit for you. Focus on face. Low setting is recommended. So the manufacturer is recommending you use the low settings. Now continue working cream into skin or problem area, wrinkle, congested area, large spots. When treatment is finished, switch off the unit and pull off the foam applicator. Rinse well with tepid water and pat dry with soft towel. Besides using beauty cream, you may well use cleanser to thoroughly cleanse your skin. Just follow the above procedure. So basically, the manufacturer is telling you that you should wet your face with water, apply the product to the brush, then just move it around your face. Then you turn it on, then you massage it around your face. I'll be giving you a practical explanation of how it works. So I'm going to be washing my face with this now according to the manufacturer's instruction on how to use the product. Beauty bar is my face cleanser, and this is what we're going to be using to test the brush if it actually works or not. So I'm just going to wet my face, then apply the Dove soap to the brush and check it out on my face.
We listen, we do not charge.
In my face cleanser out and also rinsing the brush, and I will tell you my honest opinion actually. So I have rinsed out the face cleanser from my face and I have washed the brush as well. Now let me give you my honest opinion. I think this is going to do a better job than your hand. If you observe, I was able to brush the corner of my nose very well. I was able to brush this part very well. I was able to brush my eyes. So the thing about this brush is that it gets to areas that your hands basically will just clean but will not clean it well. And another thing I like about the brush is the, I think it's fiber. I don't know, but it's very soft. So when you're washing your face, you do not feel this stress of you like struggling to cleanse your face. So it's a mild brush cleanser. There's one thing I have to tell you guys: using sponge to wash your face, thinking you're actually cleaning the dirt, is doing more harm than good. So stop using a sponge on your face. If you want to clean your face, just use your bare hands instead of using a sponge because you're doing more harm than good to your face. So, if you have the amount, I got this at the range of I think 3.5 from Jumia. Three, so it ranges from 3.5 to like 5,000 naira. So you could get it. It's affordable, yes, and it's going to clean your face very well. So I'm actually going to be using this for some weeks and share my honest review of what it has done. Has it actually improved my skin? As the blood circulation actually make my skin more firmer, nicer, or anything like that? So yeah, I'm actually going to be trying this one. I'm going to be trying the massager and telling you what I feel about it now. So after trying this one, it does massage a little to me. It doesn't really do a lot of massaging. It does a little massaging. It does not do much. But it's good. But for now, I think I prefer this. Like I think it properly cleanses my skin, which is the purpose of it. The purpose of the brush is to clear up all the scuff cleaned on the surface. So it actually cleaned my skin, and I would prefer this over using my hand to wash my face. And please, I know I have been there. I have been using. There was a time I was using sponge to wash my face, thinking, "Oh, I'm trying to remove the dirt and everything." But I realized that I was breaking out because it was too hard on my skin. Coupled with the fact that I am a sensitive girly, so I do not need something harsh to tamper with my skin a lot. So it was not actually good for me to use a sponge to clean my face. And I also observed that using my hand to clean my face was not really doing the job well for me. I felt like, oh, there were still little product buildup, but though my face was still clean, but it was not really like clean, clean, clean. So I think this brush is actually worth it. I'm still going to share my opinion if it's actually better than me using my hand. So am I going to see a change or am I going to see progress? The difference between using my hand to wash my face and using this brush to wash my face. Now, if you find this video really helpful, please subscribe, make sure you like, comment, and share the video. Yes, preach the gospel to every other person that you think might be interested in something like this. Till meet again, I love you, but God loves you more.